common mistake investors make when they are starting tax lien investing is buying liens without some kind of strategy, okay? And this isn't really on the buying part so much as it is on the research part. When you're going into a tax lien auction, you want to have a strategy. You want to be going after a specific type of property or a specific type of property owner, if that makes sense, right? So having a strategy going into an auction is important, and some strategies that you may want to consider would be vacant land strategy. I like vacant land because it's less competitive. You get higher interest rates. They tend to go for longer periods of time before redeeming, and they go into foreclosure more often than structured properties like houses, condos, townhouses, etc. You may be wanting the safe play, the super safe play. Single family homes, super easy, super typically, not every single one of them, but typically is super safe play. $1,000 tax lien, property's worth $150,000. Not a whole lot of room to mess up in there. Again, there's more things and you got to do your due diligence, but that could be your strategy for an auction. Be like, hey, I'm going for single family homes that have tax liens under $1,500 and their values are over $100,000, right? You can check all of these criteria when you have an auction list, and you can put those criteria in and say, hey, show me the results. So have a strategy going into auction.